Welcome to Review Rumble. The best water filter faucet is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked additions to any modern kitchen, transforming your daily hydration and cooking experience by delivering crisp, clean, and safe drinking water directly from your tap, making it an indispensable tool for health-conscious individuals and families seeking to eliminate impurities and enjoy pure refreshment with unparalleled convenience. Number 5. Camco Tastepure RV Water Filter. Experience the advanced 6-step filtration process. This technology works seamlessly to deliver exceptionally clean water for your needs. Rest assured, this filter is independently tested and certified lead-free. It complies with all federal and state lead-free laws. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water wherever you go. It effectively reduces bad tastes, odors, and chlorine for refreshing hydration. Proudly made in the USA with expert craftsmanship. Its patented design ensures top-notch quality and rigorous testing. Easily connect this filter to any standard hose for cleaner drinking water. It's perfect for campers, boats, pets, and even gardening. Benefit from 20-micron sediment protection that blocks impurities. Its wide-body design also ensures an efficient and strong water flow. This filter comes with a bonus flexible hose protector. It prevents kinks and reduces strain, ensuring a smooth water flow. What we like? This filter offers advanced 6-step filtration for exceptionally clean water. It's also certified lead-free and suitable for a wide range of uses beyond just RVs. If you need a versatile filter for camping, boating, or even your pets, this is a great choice. What people say. The water filter faucet is easy to install and provides clean, great-tasting water. It has a sleek design that complements the kitchen sink and a convenient lever for switching between filtered and unfiltered water. The filter effectively removes impurities, and the water flow rate is satisfactory. Number 4. AQUA CREST Faucet Filter Replacement RF, $99.99. Experience cleaner, better tasting water with our advanced faucet filter. It's designed to significantly reduce chlorine, taste, and odor for your peace of mind. Rest assured, this filter is NSF certified for both chlorine reduction and lead-free materials. It meets rigorous standards for your health and safety. Our filter features premium coconut activated carbon, effectively reducing up to 97.2% of chlorine. It also tackles sediments and rust for improved water quality. Enjoy healthy drinking water for longer. This filter provides a long-lasting service life, recommended for replacement every 3 months. Designed for seamless integration, it's compatible with PUR Plus and interchangeable with PUR RF, $99.99 faucet water filters. It fits a wide range of faucet mount models. Getting started is simple. Just soak the filter in clean tap water for 3 minutes to flush it and release any bubbles before use. What we like? This filter boasts NSF certifications and uses premium coconut activated carbon for superior chlorine reduction. It offers a long-lasting service life, with a recommendation to replace it every 3 months. If you're looking for a reliable replacement filter for your existing PUR system that provides excellent taste and odor reduction, this is the one. What people say. Easy to install and works great. The water tastes so much better now. It filters the water quickly and efficiently. Number 3. Waterdrop 10 UA Under Sink Water Filter System. Experience the difference with our advanced filtration system. It effectively reduces harmful contaminants like PFAS, lead, and chlorine, ensuring your water is pure and tastes great. Enjoy significant savings with our replacement filters, costing less than $25.99. You'll save over 50% on subsequent uses compared to other options. Installation is a breeze, taking just 3 minutes with its innovative twist and lock design. Replacing the filter is just as simple, taking only 3 seconds. This system is designed for easy integration with standard US sink connections. It's perfect for both residential and commercial use, fitting seamlessly into your kitchen, bathroom, or office. Each filter provides up to 12 months of service for a household's needs. You can even extend its freshness by storing it properly in the refrigerator. Our upgraded filtration area prevents clogging, offering a 20x increase in dirt adhesion. This ensures a consistent and fast flow rate for your pure water needs. What we like? This undersink system stands out for its ability to reduce harmful contaminants like PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, and LEED. It features an innovative design for quick installation and a long lifespan of up to 12 months. If you're concerned about specific emerging contaminants and want an under-sink solution that's easy to install and maintain, this filter is an excellent option. What people say. It is easy to install and works great. The water tastes pure and clean. Number 2. PUR Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System. Experience powerful filtration that's AQUA certified to reduce lead. It's also NSF certified to reduce microplastics, chlorine, and many other common contaminants found in your tap water. Enjoy cleaner, great-tasting water with every pour. Our advanced 3-in-1 filtration technology is certified to reduce lead and other impurities, ensuring a superior taste. This filter lasts up to 3 months or 100 gallons. A helpful indicator light will alert you when it's time for a replacement, so you always have crisp, filtered water. Installation is a breeze and takes just minutes, with no tools required. It fits securely on most standard faucets, excluding pull-out or handheld models. Achieve the ultimate in filtration for your home. Enjoy a crisp, refreshing taste with every glass of water you drink. What we like. This faucet mount filter is AQUA certified for lead reduction and also tackles microplastics and numerous other contaminants. It's incredibly easy to install without tools and even features a filter change light to remind you when it's time for a replacement. If you want a simple, effective solution for better tasting water with a clear indicator for filter changes, this is a top contender. What people say. The water tastes great and it is so easy to install. I love that it has a switch to toggle between filtered and unfiltered water. Number 1. Waterdrop FC01 Faucet Water Filter. Tired of tap water taste? This faucet filter provides clean, safe, and refreshing water for your entire family. It's designed for easy installation and offers a longer filter life than many others. Rest assured, this filter is NSF certified to reduce chlorine, improve taste and odor, and ensure lead-free material. It delivers healthier water for all your daily needs. Each filter provides an impressive 320 gallons of purified water, lasting up to 3 months. That's twice as long as many standard sink filters, meaning fewer replacements. Featuring innovative ACF material, it effectively reduces lead and chlorine. You can fill up to 4 bottles of water in just 1 minute, enjoying safer, great-tasting water. Switch effortlessly between filtered and unfiltered water to extend the filter's life. Installation is a breeze with the included adapters and leak-proof design. Please note that this filter is designed for standard faucets and does not fit pull-out, handheld, or spray-style faucets. Verify compatibility before purchase to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This faucet filter offers NSF certifications for chlorine and lead reduction, along with an innovative ACF material for fast filtration. It boasts a significantly longer filter life, providing 320 gallons or 3 months of use, which is double that of many competitors. If you're looking for a faucet filter that offers extended longevity and effective lead reduction with convenient switching between filtered and unfiltered water, this is a smart choice. What people say. The water filter faucet is easy to install and use. It effectively removes chlorine and other impurities from the water. The design is sleek and modern, complementing any kitchen decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.